This is Heidi Caswell here, WordPress 101 for Boomers. And we're going to talk a little bit today. This is a very short tutorial on adding HTML to WordPress. Now you may ask, okay, I don't know HTML, so how am I going to, this doesn't apply to me. And you're going to find a lot of places that you have stuff that you want to add to your blog, website, and some of these things are things that generate income and revenue to you. And you do this by adding the HTML code to your site. Now, you don't have to know HTML code. A lot of places give you the code that you can just copy and paste into your site. And I'm just going to show, most of you may already know how to do that. And if you do, you're fine, you're good. But I found out that when I assume that everyone knows this, everyone doesn't. And when I first started doing things online, there's so much I didn't know. And things that other people were just like, well, everybody knows that. Well, everybody but me, because I've not done it before. So this is for those of you that are new to WordPress and how to add HTML code to your WordPress site. What I have here is some code from Alltop. A lot of places will have code like this, and if you copy it, then that banner will show up on your site, whatever it is that they have. And they make it very easy because they realize not everyone knows HTML, but they do have things to say and to share that is very helpful for everyone else, and they make it easy for us to just go ahead and copy these things and put them in here, and then they'll show up. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how this works. I'm just going to go ahead and as I go ahead, when I first clicked on it, it turned blue. I want to highlight the whole thing. Okay, get the whole thing highlighted. It turned blue, and I'm going to copy it. Here I am on my WordPress post page. I'm just going to put it in the bottom just to show how this works. And paste it. Update it. This is not published yet. We're going to save it as a draft. And preview it so you can see what it looks like. And what you see here is just a whole bunch of code. And that doesn't work well. Now there's a reason for this. When we were adding the code here to our site, this little tab right here says Visual. And in the Visual Editor, you can't add the code to it. It's going to show what you actually type in. So we're going to go ahead and take this information back out. And then we're going to go to the HTML tab. This is where you add code. If you've got these different links, embedded links from YouTube or something from PayPal or any of these places, just go in here and hit paste. And I'll embed the video here too in a little bit when we get through with it. And that'll be more code. Hit Save Draft. And the preview. And now you can see the code is right there. Very simple, very easy. Makes it easy for you. Now what if you want to add it over here on the sidebar when you want to add some? Okay. We're now back in the dashboard and you're under Appearance. And we want to add, your widget may have different things on the sidebar there than that, similar or different. But what we're going to go ahead and do is, let's say you want to add something over there. Well, what you can do is just take a regular text box. It says arbitrary text or HTML. Put that over there. And you just put the code in. It's not a visual code tab and an HTML tab. Just the whole thing there. Just stick it in there and save. And you can see right here, it's showing up on the sidebar. I think I'll switch this back to get one of the little narrow ones that's not taking up so much space over there. But anyway, that's how you add the HTML code. Have fun and enjoy. Heidi Caswell, WordPress 101 for Boomers.